Hello, great people. Are you there? It is very shameful, as you can see. It is very shameful. About 1,411 Nigerians entered Dubai. You know the cost of that? Because of COP28 summit. Some are saying they are going there to solicit for fund. I don't know. Now, when you look at this, what will you say about APC government under Tinubu? Oh my God. I don't want to say clueless because it is not about cluelessness. No. This is deliberate, wasteful attempt. And somebody is saying somewhere, Japa from there. You know, the reigning thing in Nigeria is Japa. Look at the size of this entourage. Some people are wondering if Nigeria was the one hosting the event. Is Nigeria the one hosting this event? Now you wonder how many UAE officials will be there. I had Nigeria send people the number of China. What is the population of China compared to Nigeria? And look at the number of people that was sent. Some says they are there to solicit for funds. Can you imagine? It is not funny. It is not funny. Madness in high place. Now, let's reel it out to you how, the number of people and how they were registered. Yeah. On site, registered Nigerian participant for COP28 in Dubai. State House, 138. National Council on Climate Change, 54. Federal Ministry of Environment, 53. National Assembly, 36. NNPC, 28. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, 21. Ministry of Environment, 16. Lagos State Government, 14. Lagos State has to be, special representative for Lagos State Government because the president is from Lagos. It looks like a picnic. People going for a sightseeing tour. And can you imagine going to Dubai from Nigeria, which is UAE? It's not that they have wings to fly you as if it's an easy thing. It is aeroplane that will take these people. And the aeroplane will fly burning fuel. Check the amount. Check what. And they are feeding. Because they're not just going to, oh, this is this, and they come back. No. So let's continue. Lagos State Government, 14. NDDC, 13. Bank of Industry, 13. Minister of Petroleum Resources, 12. Federal Capital Territory Authority, 11. Lagos is bigger than Federal Capital Authority. Okay. NSIA, 9. Minister of Environment and Climate Change, 9. They said it's a climate change summit. And we only have the Minister of Environment and Climate Change, 9. I think they should have been the people that are more there if there is need, self. I don't even know why they should be up to 9. Now, they said Rural Electrification Agency, 9. Government House, Kaduna, 9. Embassy of Nigerian Home-Based Office, 9. Minister of Environment and Natural Resources, 8. Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, 8. Ecologistics, 8. Zoetic Global, 7. Naseni, 7. NEA Engineers, 7. When they come back, in fact, Nigeria will be consulted from henceforth for climate, anything climate, because they are going there to, load everything into their head. We need such number of people so that the world will now start consulting us for anything on climate. One, let's continue to read it out to you. Nigerian Midstream and DPRA, 7. Federal Ministry of Transportation, 7. Federal Ministry of Finance, 7. Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission, 6. Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, 6. SMEDAN, 6. National Population Commission, 6. Sustainable Development Goals, Nigeria, 6. Niger State Government, 6. Northeast Development Commission, 6. Climate Wednesday, 6. Cross River State Government, 6. DEPOA, 6. Federal Ministry of Labor and Employment, 6. Federal Ministry of Power, 6. Federal Ministry of African Union Development Agency, 6. Formal Act Legacy Limited, 6. Hydrocarbon Pollution Remediation Project, 6. I even see some of these offices as duplication. That shouldn't be. Now, let's keep looking at it. You go here, tire. Where did we stop? At aviation remediation project. Okay, now African Aviation and Aerospace University, Abuja, 6. Environmental Health Council of Nigeria, 6. Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency, Vivacity, 5. Special Agro-Industrial Processing Zones Program, 5. Please don't go. You need to hear P2B's comment on this. And let's look at it. Do you think P2B will approve of such number of people to spend such money to travel to UAE for this summit? Do you think, I saw Ngalari, you know Ngalari now, you can see him, the one with the brown shirt. He is one of the leaders in that summit. As in heading Nigerians or leading Nigerians to the summit. Can you see? Now, do you think P2B will approve of this? Now, when we talk about P2B, we are proving to you, we are trying to tell you, we're not just saying P2B. We have reasons for mentioning P2B. P2B has done it before. One of the qualities of a good leader is also to cut down on expenses. Now, look at how much will be. Imagine how much will be approved for this. When you hear them, headache go catch you. Let's continue. There are a few more to mention before I read P2B's comment, because you need to hear it. And please note that the source of this is 30 cents. Source of this material is 30 cents. Where are we? Okay. Nigeria Labour Congress, 5. Oando Clean Energy, 5. Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas, 5. Intracop, 5. African Finance Corporation, 5. Federal Ministry of Environment, ACRESA, 5. Borno State Government, 5. Gas Aggregation Company, Nigeria Limited, 5. FCCPC, 5. Office of the SSG, that may be Secretary to the State Government, 4. National Agency for Great Green Wall, 4. Presidency, 4. National Eco Capital Limited, 4. Minister of Budget and Eco Planning, 4. Sahara Group, 4. Zamfara State Government, 4. Like I said, the source is 30 cents. It is so sad. This is a country that we are trying to save. If our problem is just about climate change, you could say, okay, let's empty the whole country. But that is not our major problem. Yes, the world is fighting climate change, and the world should fight it. We are not opposed to fight, working on climate change. We are not opposed to that. We are not opposed to means at, combating climate change. But are we expected to empty the whole country in the name of fighting climate change? Now you need to hear what P2B said about this. We're finished in this country. He wrote, he said, in a twist of sad irony, let me congratulate the giant of Africa, Nigeria, for matching the great China. Listen, it's like Nigeria sent Nigeria's delegate to the event. It's almost the size of China. But can you compare our population and the size of our country? What is Nigeria planning to do with this? Now, he said, for matching the great China with the same number of contingents at the ongoing COP28 in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Nigeria's contingent to COP28 totaled 1,411, the same number as the Chinese contingents. While China's budget for 2024 is about $4 trillion, about 2,860 per head, that's dollars per head. Nigeria's budget is about $33 billion. about $165. $165, not $1,000. $165 per head. China has a high Human Development Index, HDI, with a ranking of 79 out of 191 countries measured. And Nigeria has a low HDI with a ranking of 163 out of 191 countries measured. That's Nigeria carry class for head, though, in terms of Human Development Index. Now, he went on, he said, Nigeria has more people living in multidimensional poverty than China, despite China having 7 times our population. He said, most importantly, the vast majority of those in the Nigerian delegation to COP28 are either non-relevant civil servants or relations, friends and hangers-on of high government officials. Listen, because these are people who want to save Nigeria. And look at their, I said by their posture, you will know. When somebody is telling you, I want to save this country, you will know by his posture already, Oh my God. Let's ride on. He wrote, he said, some of these people are not relevant. Some of them are civil servants or relations, friends and hangers-on of high government officials. Most of them hardly understand or have anything to do with climate change. The huge contingent is out of public expense at a time when most Nigerians can hardly afford food and basic needs as a result of economic hardship. I pray earnestly that a day will come soon enough when we can focus on competing with China on productivity and miracle of migrating the highest number of its citizens out of poverty over a relatively short time. As we have kept emphasizing, we must stop waste as a tradition of our government and nation. We urgently need to cut the cost of governance and invest in production. Imagine if it were a P2B. This is why we need him. Part of the reason a country or an individual or a society is successful is that they must learn how to save. Go and ask people who are inspirational speakers. They will tell you, if you cannot save, you cannot achieve anything, because you have to save before you can use what you've saved to invest in something. We have been just borrowing and borrowing. We have not been able to save. Okonjiwara asked during Jonathan's time, let's save this money for the rainy days. Amechi, who spearheaded APC and the formation and everything, no, release the money. What happened later? Now, I just read what was from P2B. Now, in conclusion, he wrote, we need to de-emphasize unnecessary ceremony and showmanship as a mode of government behavior. We need to tie spending to necessity and national priority. A new Nigeria is possible. We only need to do the reasonable and the necessary. It's from Peter Obi. A government that came in, and in our budget, they infused 5.something billion just to buy cruise ship. Yash is like a cruise ship, so that, just for enjoyment in the ocean, not worship. I feel, oh my God, the next 4 years, only God can save this country. With the current posture of people in this government, there is trouble. This is just a climate change summit. And look at how many people they have. Oh, maybe Minister of Finance, we are going for a climate change. They say, nah, I beg, add 10 people from my family. They need to just go and see. I don't know whether some are intending to japa from there, because Nigeria is horrible now. Only God can save us. With the people currently in leadership, I don't see hope. Only God can save us. That is just where I base my hope. And this is where I'll leave it for now. Please share this video widely. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Bye-bye for now.